Most drivers are unknowingly creating a dangerous visibility hazard that causes thousands of accidents every year, and it's happening right inside their own vehicle. That greasy, filmy haze on the inside of your windshield isn't just annoying, it's scattering light, causing glare that can blind you at critical moments, and significantly increasing your accident risk. Here's what most people don't realize. Every time you clean it with the wrong products or techniques, you're actually making the problem worse and potentially damaging your glass permanently. I'm going to reveal 10 insider secrets that will eliminate windshield haze completely, prevent it from coming back, and save you hundreds of dollars in professional detailing costs and potential accident expenses. These are the exact techniques professionals use but never share with customers because they'd rather you keep paying them to fix the problem. Tip 1. Understand the real enemy, it's not dirt. Here's what most people get wrong. Windshield haze isn't external dirt or dust. It's a chemical film created by off-gassing from your dashboard, plastics, vinyl, air fresheners, and cleaning products. When your car heats up in the sun, these materials release volatile organic compounds that settle on the cool glass surface as an oily residue. This is why simply wiping with water never works. You're trying to remove oil with a water-based solution, which is chemically impossible. The film also contains silicone particles from protectant sprays that create that stubborn, streaky appearance. Understanding this chemistry is critical because it completely changes how you need to approach cleaning. You need a degreasing agent that breaks down oils, not just soap and water. This knowledge alone prevents people from wasting money on ineffective products. Professional detailers charge $80 to $150 for interior glass cleaning because most people don't know they're fighting a chemical battle, not a dirt problem. Tip 2. Stop using paper towels immediately. This mistake costs people hundreds in damaged glass and wasted products. Paper towels contain wood fibers that leave behind microscopic particles and create tiny scratches in your glass surface. These micro scratches scatter light, creating more glare and making haze more visible. Even worse, paper towels fall apart when wet, leaving lint that sticks to the oily film you're trying to remove. You're essentially grinding debris into your windshield while spreading oil around. Switch to high-quality microfiber towels specifically designed for glass. Look for at least 300 GSM density with a tight weave. You need at least 3 towels, one for applying cleaner, one for initial wiping, and one for final buffing. Professional-grade microfiber costs $15 to $25 for a quality set, but they're reusable for years and actually remove haze instead of spreading it. This single change eliminates the cycle of constant re-cleaning that wastes your time and products. The scratches from paper towels are permanent and eventually require professional glass polishing at $200 or complete windshield replacement at $300 to $600. Tip 3. Create the professional-grade cleaning solution. Here's the industry secret. The best windshield cleaner costs less than $5 to make and outperforms $50 retail products. Mix 1 part white vinegar, 1 part isopropyl alcohol 70% concentration or higher, and 1 part distilled water. The vinegar cuts through grease and mineral deposits. The alcohol dissolves oils and evaporates quickly, preventing streaks, and distilled water ensures no mineral residue. Add 2 drops of dish soap for extra degreasing power. This solution breaks down the chemical film. Professionals charge premium prices to remove. Store it in a spray bottle, and it lasts months. The alcohol evaporation rate is critical. It prevents the solution from sitting too long and creating new streaks. Commercial cleaners often contain fillers and fragrances that leave their own residue, perpetuating the haze problem. This homemade formula costs approximately $4 and makes enough solution for 20 to 30 complete windshield cleanings. Compare that to commercial glass cleaners at $8 to $12 per bottle that might clean your windshield 5 to 8 times before running out. Tip 4. Master the 2-direction cleaning method. Most people wipe in circles or random patterns and wonder why streaks remain. Here's the professional technique that guarantees streak-free results. Spray your solution generously on the glass, then wipe horizontally from driver's side to passenger side using your first microfiber towel. Apply firm, consistent pressure. This first pass removes the majority of the oily film. Immediately follow with vertical strokes from top to bottom using your second clean microfiber towel. This cross-pattern technique catches any residue left from the horizontal pass. The science behind this is simple. Each direction removes what the previous direction missed. Finish with your third dry towel using horizontal strokes for final buffing. This method works because it's systematic and ensures complete coverage. Random wiping leaves patches of film that catch light and create streaks. The two-direction approach takes only 3 additional minutes but completely eliminates the frustration of seeing streaks reappear after cleaning. It also uses your cleaning solution more efficiently, making your products last longer and saving you money on constant re-cleaning sessions. Tip 5. Use gravity to your advantage with proper technique. Here's what separates amateur cleaning from professional results. Work from top to bottom and let gravity help you. When you spray solution on the glass, start at the top edge of the windshield and work downward. The solution naturally flows down, carrying loosened oils and residue with it. If you start at the bottom, you're pushing contamination upward against gravity, requiring extra effort and leaving residue behind. Professional detailers always work top-down because it's physically more efficient and produces cleaner results. Additionally, focus extra attention on the bottom 3 inches of your windshield where the dashboard meets the glass. This is where off-gassing is most concentrated. This area requires twice as much solution and cleaning effort. The driver's side upper corner also needs special attention because it catches concentrated grime from window operation. This strategic approach reduces your total cleaning time by 15 to 20 minutes and ensures you're not wasting effort fighting natural physics. It also means you use less cleaning solution overall, because you're working with gravity instead of against it, saving product costs. Tip 6. Deploy the clay bar for stubborn contamination. When regular cleaning won't eliminate the haze, you need the professional's secret weapon, automotive clay bar treatment. This is what detailers use before charging you $150 for glass cleaning. Clay bars physically pull embedded contamination from glass pores that chemical cleaners can't reach. Purchase an automotive clay bar kit for $15 to $20. It includes lubricant spray and multiple clay bars. Spray the lubricant generously on a clean section of glass, then gently glide the clay bar across the surface using light pressure. You'll feel the clay grabbing and pulling microscopic contaminants. The bar will become dirty, fold it to expose fresh clay, and continue. This removes industrial fallout, mineral deposits, and polymerized oils that have bonded to the glass surface. Clay bar treatment is necessary only 2 to 3 times per year for most vehicles, but it completely restores glass clarity that chemical cleaning alone cannot achieve. The difference is immediately visible. Your glass becomes glass smooth and completely transparent. Without this treatment, stubborn haze keeps returning no matter how often you clean because you're not removing the embedded contamination layer. Tip 7. Attack the source, your ventilation system. Here's the problem nobody talks about. You can clean your windshield perfectly, but if your ventilation system is contaminated, haze returns within days. Your cabin air vents blow contaminated air directly onto the windshield, continuously depositing oils and particles. Turn on your defrost on high. Spray disinfectant cleaner into the external air intake, usually located at the base of your windshield outside, and let it run for 5 minutes. This cleans the ductwork. Then spray cleaner directly into your dashboard vents using the thin extension tube that comes with aerosol cleaners. The ventilation system harbors mold, bacteria, oils from air fresheners, and accumulated dust that becomes your haze source. Professional cabin air treatment costs $80 to $120. Doing this yourself with a $10 can of vent cleaner takes 15 minutes and eliminates the root cause of recurring haze. Most people never consider this and end up cleaning their windshield weekly because they're only treating the symptom, not the source. Cleaning your ventilation system twice yearly prevents haze formation and improves air quality. Tip 8. Replace your cabin air filter immediately. This 15-minute job saves you hundreds and directly impacts windshield haze. Your cabin air filter traps particles and contaminants before they enter your vehicle's interior. When it's clogged, it can no longer filter effectively, and accumulated oils and particles blow through the vents onto your windshield. Most manufacturers recommend replacement every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but if you live in dusty areas or have noticed reduced airflow or musty odors, replace it immediately. Cabin air filters cost $12 to $30 at auto parts stores, and replacement requires only a screwdriver or no tools at all in most vehicles. Check your owner's manual for location. It's usually behind the glove box or under the dashboard. Dealerships charge $60 to $100 for this simple replacement. A clean cabin air filter reduces haze formation by up to 70% because it's actively filtering the contaminated air before it reaches your windshield. It also improves HVAC efficiency, reducing fuel consumption, and improving air conditioning performance. This is preventive maintenance that directly addresses haze formation at the source. Tip 9. Never use ammonia-based cleaners. This is the most expensive mistake people make. Ammonia-based cleaners like traditional blue glass cleaners damage window tint, degrade rubber seals around your windshield, and leave a residue that attracts more dirt and oils. Ammonia evaporates quickly, which seems convenient, but it leaves behind alkaline salts that create a film attracting airborne oils. This film is why your windshield gets hazy again almost immediately after cleaning with these products. Ammonia also produces harsh fumes in your enclosed vehicle that are unhealthy to breathe. Even worse, repeated ammonia exposure degrades the plastic coating on modern windshields that provides UV protection and scratch resistance. Once this coating is damaged, you'll have permanent haze and cloudiness that cannot be removed without replacing the entire windshield at $400 to $800. The vinegar and alcohol solution I mentioned earlier costs less, works better, and protects your glass investment. If you've been using ammonia-based cleaners, stop immediately. The damage is cumulative. Every use degrades your windshield further until replacement becomes necessary. Tip 10. Implement weekly prevention habits. Prevention is where you save the most money and time. Keep a dedicated microfiber towel and small spray bottle of your homemade solution in your vehicle. Once weekly, quickly wipe down your windshield interior. This takes only 2 minutes and prevents film buildup that becomes difficult to remove. Stop using dashboard protectant sprays and gel air fresheners. These are the primary sources of windshield haze. If you must use air fresheners, choose paper or vent clip types that don't release oils. Park in shade or use a windshield sunshade to reduce interior temperature and minimize off-gassing from plastics. Lower your windows slightly when parked to allow air circulation and prevent condensation that traps oils on glass. These simple habits reduce haze formation by 80 to 90%, meaning you need deep cleaning only once or twice yearly instead of weekly. The cumulative time saved is 8 to 10 hours annually, and you'll use 70% less cleaning product. Most importantly, you maintain clear visibility that keeps you safe and prevents the accident risk that haze creates during night driving or when facing bright sunlight. These 10 techniques will completely eliminate windshield haze, prevent it from returning, and save you $300 to $500 annually in professional detailing costs while keeping you significantly safer on the road. The key is understanding your fighting chemistry, not dirt, and addressing both the symptom and the source. Start with the homemade cleaning solution and proper microfiber technique. Then tackle your ventilation system and cabin filter to prevent recurrence. If you found this valuable, let me know which tip you're implementing first. I'm curious if people realize how much money that cabin air filter replacement alone will save them.